Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your address in the Nike app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Nike app. Here it opens up in the shop menu, but we have to go here in the top left corner, the three lines, we tap on those. And here at the bottom of the list, there is settings. We tap on that. And here in the middle, there is shipping information. We tap on this. And here we can add our address or multiple addresses where we would like to order stuff and have stuff delivered. So let me just show you again. In the settings, there is shipping information. You tap on that, and here you can add the addresses that you want to have product delivered to. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.